This is a multiple plug with USB port supports from the mark Bestek. Declared to be high quality material. Attachable to walls, so good for mounting, and with nice optics, with the possibility to switch in and out individual plugs. So the product comes with the basic packaging, shipped from Amazon, and let's open it. This is how the product look like, with the branding on the side. It is from start to hand, this is 45 centimeters. The profile is not squared, it is angled. The button seems very sturdy. They made an impressive strong sound, and the plugs are horizontal, so you can plug in a parallel fashion all your devices. This allows to host perhaps also devices which have bulky plugs. There is a LED for protecting, to signal the protection and the grounding. So protection here means that there is up to 900 joules of power surge protection, and this overall device is capable of handling a energy supply of 3600 watts, so pretty powerful. So there is a nice strap here to keep the cable all together, and yes, the USB, there are 2 per each access point. This is made of silicone. That's good, nice build. And what it says here is within 0 to 2.4 ampere auto. It is a bit hard to measure, but with one end, but the cable is actually, if I stretch it fully, is 170 centimeters, yeah, or a couple of centimeters longer. This is pretty bulky, heavy. The weight is almost 1 kilo, and there are certain indications here. Do not cover, only stored in dry location, etc., etc. Energy off only after unplugging plug. And this is model MRJ6404, 6 outlet power. So the each port, I'm talking USB port, is max 2.4. Okay, I think that's it. When plugged to the wall, let's make some shadow here. Very nice. See, USB LED is activated, and it seems to indicate that there is a protection from overpower. Now it's dimming here in the video, but in reality this is a fixed light. I don't know what is the reason for that. So looks like the lights are flashing, dimming, but they are actually fixed lights by naked eye. Very interesting. This has been unplugged and the USB port light is still on. Okay, now is dying out after 20 seconds. Don't know what's going on.